Ever wanted to roast someone in French? But I mean, like a pro? Today must be your lucky day. Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French teacher, so you can discover France the French way. And now is the perfect time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel already if you finally want to feel confident when it comes to speaking with native French speakers. On this channel, we go for the good, the bad, and today the sassy. If you ever wanted or wondered how to throw a little shade in French, you're in the right place. So today we're gonna learn 5 ways, plus a bonus always, to critique or be a little, no, clearly mean in French without insulting. We're more clever than that. You know, the kind of shade that makes you go, ouch, or savage, but makes you laugh inside. You're not a bad person, no worries. So let's go for some French sass, shall we? Alors t'es prêt? On y va.
Tu as entendu ce qu'il vient de dire. C'est vraiment pas le couteau le plus aiguisé du tiroir.
Non mais, carrément. C'est pas le couteau le plus aiguisé du tiroir. This one, I clearly don't want to be on the receiving end. So what does that mean? We have le couteau. Le couteau, it is the knife. Le couteau le plus aiguisé. Aiguisé, what is it? It means sharpened. You know, like the blade. You sharpen it. You aiguise le couteau ou la lame du couteau. And le tiroir. What is it? The drawer. So what does that mean? It means Bonjour, madame. So what does that mean? It means he's not the sharpened knife in the drawer. The equivalent, I think, would be he's not the sharpest tool or the sharpest knife in the drawer. You tell me if it's correct. So it just means that the person is, you know, not the brightest, not the sharpest. In French, it doesn't really work, whereas in English, I think it works even better. But yeah, c'est pas le couteau le plus aiguisé du tiroir.
T'as entendu ce qu'il vient de dire? C'est vraiment pas le couteau le plus aiguisé du tiroir.
Non mais clairement.
Tu as entendu les objectifs que nous a fixés le patron? Ouais, lui, je ne pense pas qu'il ait la lumière à tous les étages.
Il n'a pas la lumière à tous les étages. So it is a negative sentence, but you know, it's not something you will write, it's something you will say. So we skip the ne of the negation. It's way more casual. Donc il n'a pas la lumière à tous les étages. This one, actually, that's a friend of mine who made me discover this saying. I love it. So what is it? Il n'a pas, okay, negation, think you know, otherwise you can check this video, but after. Then, la lumière. What is la lumière? It is the light. Donc, il n'a pas la lumière à tout. Okay, so here, tout, it can be all, everything, but it is plural because there is a S. So you don't pronounce the S at the end, like there is something after. Like you pronounce the S when it is at the end of the sentence. Il n'est pas à tous. So again, tout, everything or all. Et les étages, un étage, masculine, that would be the floors on a building. So he doesn't have the light on all floors. I found an equivalent that I actually really liked in English. It would be the lights are on, but nobody's home. Love it. So again, it means that somebody is dumb. Just in another, maybe more creative way. I love the image that, you know, there are some parts that are just off.
T'as entendu les objectifs que nous a fixés le patron? Ouais, lui, je pense pas qu'il ait la lumière à tous les étages. Et donc, tu retournes avec lui? Oui, mais je te jure, ça va mieux. Eh mais, tu as été bercé trop près du mur, toi.
Il a été bercé trop près du mur. Okay, this one, let's use your imagination a bit. So, first, être bercé. So that's something you say for, you know, babies. So, to be rocked, I guess. Être bercé. Donc trop près. Près is close, very close to something or near. And then le mur. Le mur is the wall. So imagine what would happen if you rock a baby a bit too close to the wall with their head. An accident can happen. And that would damage the brain. So it's another way, again, to say that somebody is dumb. I guess that's how we love to insult people. We love to insult their intelligence. And an equivalent that I found was that somebody was dropped on the head one too many times.
Et donc tu retournes avec lui? Oui, mais je te jure, ça va mieux. Eh, mais t'as été bercé trop près du mur, toi. Mais je te dis que c'est moi qui ai raison. Mais c'est pas possible. Dans ton cerveau, il doit y avoir que 2 neurones qui se battent en duel.
Okay, I guess we have a visitor. She loves to tell me that I'm dumb, or at least that's how I feel anyway. Donc, for this one, I actually thought of 2 ways to express the same idea, though from the beginning we're kind of expressing the same idea. It is, il a 2 neurones qui se battent en duel. That's what my mom says. And il n'a que 2 neurones et ils se battent pour la 3e place. This one, I discovered it quite recently and I loved it. It is so mean, but in a dark humor way. I love it. So, les neurones. Well, your brain cells, right? Your neurons. Neurons? Neurons? Anyway. So, your brain cells. Donc, les neurones, il en a 2. 1, 2. Et qui se battent. So, se battre, the verb, it is to fight. So, either they fight in a duel, like they're really alone and they fight, so they're even less efficient, or il a 2 neurones qui se battent pour la 3e place, so they're only 2 and they fight for the 3rd rank. Imagine how dumb they are. Well, that's pretty much what we're saying about the person we're talking about. Or talking to, but then that would be extremely mean.
Mais je te dis que c'est moi qui ai raison. Eh, mais c'est pas possible. Dans ton cerveau, il doit y avoir que 2 neurones qui se battent en duel. Je ne comprends pas comment tu peux travailler avec lui. Ah ça, clairement. Il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude.
Il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude ou il n'a pas inventé la poudre. Again, you notice that it is spoken, so we won't use the ne or n apostrophe for negation. Donc, il a pas. Sorry, French people, let's be realistic. Nobody uses the ne or n. So, come on. Anyway. Donc, il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude. Let's take this one. Inventer, it's very, very close to English, right? To invent. L'eau, I'm pretty sure you know this one. You know, there are 3 letters separately. You don't pronounce them O at all, but together, for some reason, O. Donc, l'eau, feminine. Et l'eau chaude, so chaud is hot. But because water is feminine, chaude, with the E at the end. And because the D is not the very last letter anymore, you say D. You pronounce it. Donc, l'eau chaude. Or the other one that I said was, il n'a pas inventé la poudre. Poudre being powder. What does that mean? He's no Einstein, right? So he didn't invent hot water or powder, something extremely basic that nobody invented. So yeah, he's not exactly a revolutionary thinker or something. This one, I find it a bit less brutal than the one before, for example.
Je comprends vraiment pas comment tu peux travailler avec lui. Ah ça, clairement, il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude.
Et bonus, je ne m'attendais à rien et je suis quand même déçue. So this one is not a French saying at all. It's actually coming from an American sitcom. I'm pretty sure that if you're around my age, you grew up with that. Malcolm in the Middle. In French, only Malcolm. And this sentence, it actually became a meme years later. Like even years after the series stopped. It is Dewey, Malcolm's little brother, who said that. In English, it was, I expect nothing, I'm still let down.
I expect nothing, and I'm still let down.
In French, je m'attendais à rien, je suis quand même déçu.
Je ne m'attendais à rien et je suis quand même déçu.
And because it became a meme, it kind of became not a popular phenomenon, but I think everybody around my age or even younger, they know it. Maybe not too young, but I'm pretty sure if I ask my nieces, they will know. Anyway, it's actually nice because you show your knowledge of, pop culture and stuff, which is amazing to bond with someone, like have a connection, a real conversation, other than where are you from, tu viens d'où, what's your name, comment tu t'appelles, whatever. So this sentence from Dewey, well, from the dubbed version of Dewey, if you use it, I'm pretty sure you will get instant respect. Don't be mean to anyone, but I mean, sometimes it's good to know these expressions or phrases. And I hope at least you learned a bit of vocabulary. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. And I really want to know which one you thought was the sassiest. Tell me in the comments. Before you go, I wanted to tell you that the waitlist for my membership opening on the 30th of September is still open. So if you want to know more about what's going on, have a sneak peek before you enroll, or I don't know, you're just interested, it's all in the description. And if you want to go a bit further and be able to say no, but like French would, I recommend you watch this video next. Donc à la semaine prochaine. Salut!